function? Exponential function means you know that anything f of x equal to a to the power x. When you write a to the power x and a belongs to any real number, positive real number, then what it is, here it is known as the exponential function we called. F of x equal to a power x is called exponential function. So what is the domain? Domain can be any number. Okay. So domain can be any real number and the range can be what? Range is positive real number. So here I should have written a is greater than 1. Correct? So any real number when it is greater than 1 such that it is greater than 1, f of x equal to ax is known as what? Exponential functions. But the problem is some of you are not able to identify the exponential functions. Okay, x power x is an exponential function whereas x power n is not. X power n is power x square. Okay, so that you cannot apply the formula of exponential this one. X power x, the variable is involved in the power, correct? So that you need to take care. And see, in the place of a, whenever you use e, okay, that we called it as what? This one, we call it as natural exponential function. I am not going in deep. I just do the revision. So you must know what it is logarithmic and exponential functions, correct? Whatever is needed for differentiation purpose that I am going to discuss here. So this is nothing but what? Exponential function. Exponential function means identify first whether it is an exponential function. A to the power x equal to b or y equal to a power x means you can write it as what? Exponential function. So exponential functions, you can just see that a to the power 0, what it is, anything to the power 0, what you can write, it will be 1. And if you have a to the power x multiplied by a to the power y, what it will be, you can simply add the powers. Correct? And x and y belongs to real number. Next, a to the power x to the power y, what it will be? A to the power xy only. Then a to the power minus x is equal to 1 upon a to the power x. All these things right from 8th standard you have been learning. It should not be a problem to all of you. But you should remember all this basic stuff. Clear? Similarly, f of x equal to e power x. See, x is a variable here. But when I write f of x equal to e power x square, here you have a function x square. Okay. So that time what is that? You have to remember that e to the power g of x, where g of x equal to x square. In this way, when you learn, the formulas, whatever we are going to write, it's for x variable. When you have in the function x as a variable, directly you can use the formula. But when you are having a function in the place of variable, that time always remember that you need to differentiate the function in the final result. Okay, when you work on, that is when you solve the sum. Clear? So now, next is what? Logarithmic function. So when log function, what it is? See here, log function and exponential function are mirror symmetrical. Okay, but we will learn what is important here. Okay, so what it is? Log is defined y equal to log x. That is nothing but what? Here it is known as exponential. We are dealing with logarithmic function. For any real number, again a is greater than 0. A belongs to real number. Okay, if you have log, how will you define log? F of x equal to log x. But here this one is argument. Okay, and this one is base. See here a, whatever I have written, no, that base is important. Clear? So suppose you have, after teaching that it will be easy, but just try to understand. Okay, based on the logarithmic property, I am going to relate what? The exponential function as well as the logarithmic function. Suppose you have what? 2 cube equal to 8, correct? 2 to the power 3, it's equal to 8. So what I can do, I will take log on both the sides. Log 2 cube is equal to log 8. Okay, there is one property of logarithmic, that is log a to the power b is what? B log a. The power can be brought to the front. So using that, if I do it, it is 3 log 2. Okay, which will be equal to log 8 only. Okay, now what is the base? If I take the base as 2, Log 2 to the base 2 is 1. So what it will be? It is equal to 3. Okay. Log 8 is equal to 8 to the base 2 is 3. It's the same one. If I remove log, right, what you have to do? This 3, this is what I have written here. Okay. So this is exponential form. This is logarithmic form. See, when you write 2 cube as 8, the same thing what you can write in the logarithmic format, the 3, the power, right, that you can keep it this side, and log of whatever the value you have got, no, 8 to the base 2. That's all. Okay, so this is the relation between log and this one. So what is important for us? This base a. Usually we have the base as what? Natural logarithm, that is e. Okay, log x to the base e. Here it is natural logarithm. So what is the property that we are going to learn? First property is what? Log e to the base e or log a to the base a. The argument and the base, when they are same, it is always 1. But log 1 to the base e is equal to 0. When you have log is not defined for 1. Okay, log 1 to the base 0. When the base and the argument changes, it's not equal to 1. Okay. The next is what? Log a plus log b equal to log ab. Log a plus product. Okay. And log a minus log b can be written as what? It is log a by b. Okay. Next is log a to the power b can be written as b log a. I told you, no, the power can be. Okay. The next property is very, very important property. Okay. So you need to remember this. If you don't learn and come, it will be difficult. Again and again, when I do the sums, you will say that when ma'am is doing the sum, we are able to understand. But when we are doing, the reason is you don't learn at home. That's a problem. Okay. Listen carefully. E to the power, okay, log x to the base e. So when this base, see here 1 e is there, in the log, power log, there is a base e. When these are same, you can straight away write it as x. Okay, so here e to the power log x square e, you can straight away write it as x square. E to the power log e sin x. When this e and this e are same, sin x you can write it. So this property is very, very important. Next is what? Base change theorem. What is base change theorem? When you have log a to the base e, what you have to do? Decide a common base. Suppose I will choose e as the common base. Okay, you can have base as e, 2 or 10. Okay, any base you can select. These are all the common thing. Okay, so I will select a common base e. The argument, no, this a, I will put it in the numerator. Okay, and the base, here I will put it in the denominator. That's all. This value is same. This is very easy and you have to remember it. This is known as base change theorem. Log a to the base b can be written as what? First select common base and then the argument you write it in the numerator and the base you write it in the denominator. Is it clear? Next. I think I have given all this one. Now we can enter into the differentiation formula for all these things. Okay. So what is the differentiation formula? First one, exponential functions. When I talk about exponential functions, it's very simple. D by dx of a to the power x. So what is the formula, ma? Here it is a power x log a. Whenever I write something, it is to the base natural logarithm. Okay. But ma'am, if suppose instead of a power x, you have a power f of x. Okay. What you have to do? The same formula you can apply. Okay. A power f of x log a to the base e. Nothing will change. But what did I say? There x is a variable. Here f of x. So that function you need to differentiate with respect to x. Clear all of you? This you need to remember. Otherwise, for example, d by dx of 2 to the power x. What you will write? Straightforward formula. Ma'am, 2 power x log of 2 to the base e. Correct. But d by dx of 2 to the power x square. What you have to write? 2 to the power x square log 2 to the base e. Till here it is correct. But what I have to do? I have to differentiate this x square. Correct. This function I have to differentiate. So what will happen? Here d by dx of x square. So it will be x square differentiation is what? It is 4x into 2 to the power x square log 2 to the base. Is it clear? So this is very important formula. Next, d by dx of e power x. Very simple, e power x as usual you can write. But if d by dx of e power f of x comes, then what you have to do? E power f of x, then f dash of x. Clear? That function you need to differentiate. Next is what? D by dx of log x to the base e, 1 by x, very simple. But d by dx of log of f of x, if you get it, then what you have to do? 1 by f of x as it is, and then f dash of x you need to do it. Clear? Next is what? This one you can use log and to find it out, but I am giving you as a formula so that you will use it quickly for different integration. X power x, whenever you differentiate x power x, you will get x power x into 1 plus log x. For 1 mark and all it will be easy, but again you can do it with the logarithmic this one. Okay, so I think we have done this. So I will start with the numericals. Okay, so now when I told you simply first formula, that is y equal to, okay, a power x, correct? How did I do the differentiation and got the formula? It's very simple. You have to take log on both the sides. On taking log y equal to log a to the power x. Just now I taught you log a to the power b is what? B log a. So x will come to the front and it is log a, correct? On differentiating log y. What is the differentiation of log x, ma? Differentiation of log x, just observe that it is 1 by x. Differentiation of log y is 1 by y. And then what did I say? If x comes, directly you can write 1 by x. But instead of x, if function or something comes, then you need to differentiate that. So 1 by y, what is the function here? Y. So dy by dx, correct? So 1 by y, dy by dx. Here log a is constant and you need to differentiate only x. Differentiation of x is only log a. So dy by dx is equal to y log a. So dy by dx will be equal to what? Y is a power x log a. When base is not given, it is understood that you are using natural logarithm. Is it clear? This is how the form. So using log will help you in solving the sums quickly. Okay. Based on that, some of the things we are going to do it here. R.S. Aggarwal book, I have already shared the book with you. So just, okay, differentiate each of the following with respect to x. So what it is? F of x equal to e power x square. Correct? So remember, y equal to, or why do we take f of x? Y equal to e power x square. So what is differentiation of x, ma? Dy by dx. What did I say? Differentiation of e power f of x means e power f of x, whenever you differentiate, you will get f of e power f of x, and you need to differentiate the function again. So what it will be? E power x square d by dx of x square, correct? So now what it will be? It is 2x. X square differentiation is what? 2x e power x square. Any difficulty, ma? I am not going to introduce intermediate variable or something. We can do it directly, so it is easy for you. Clear? Any doubt in this? Next, second sum, y equal to e power minus 3x. So dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dx is e power minus 3x as it is, and then I have to differentiate what? Minus 3x. So it will be minus 3 e power minus 3x. Is that clear? Next, third sum is y equal to e power cos x. So what it will be? Here dy by dx will be equal to e power cos x, as it is it will come, then differentiation of cos x, correct? So differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, e power cos x. Any doubt till here? Good. So the next is differentiate each of the following with respect to x. Okay, and where x is greater than 0. So now what is that? Y equal to sine of log x. See, remember there are two functions. First one is sine. In the angle they have given you another function log x. Clear? So you can introduce an intermediate variable and do it. I will do that also. If you are not able to follow the direct method, you can use that method also. But believe me, this will be easy over the period of time. Now what it will be? First thing is what? Power, function, angle or inside function. Correct? So now power, what is the power of sine function? It is 1. Correct? Whenever it is 1, what did I say? You need not worry about it. You can go to the next step. That is function you have to differentiate. So dy by dx. What is the differentiation of sine ma? Cos of, should I change anything? No. Cos of log x as it is I should write it. Then what I should write? The inside angle I need to differentiate. That is d by dx of log x. Angle instead of angle, in the place of angle what they have given? Log x they have given. So again what will happen? Cos of log x, differentiation of log x is 1 by x. That's all. Cos log x by x is known as what? That's your answer. Clear? Any doubt? Next, second one. Any doubt? Stop me and ask. Y equal to log of log x. See, first you identify the external function. This is our external function. And inside they have given log x as another one thing. So, but first our duty is what? First we need to differentiate power. Power is 1. So, next we will go for the function. What is the function? Log is the function. When I differentiate, that's why I gave you this log of f of x. X means directly I can do it. But here log of log x, right? So 1 by f of x. Log x when I differentiate 1 by x. Log of f of x is 1 by f of x into f dash of x. Correct? So log of log x. So here in the place of x they have given log x. So 1 by log x. Then what it is? Differentiation of log x. Correct? Any doubt? So now what it will become? 1 by log x. Differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x. That's all, you got your answer. When you do step by step, you will never go wrong. Clear? Identify the first function first. Then identify the power. If the power is 1, directly you have to differentiate the function. And then inside, if there is another function or variable, accordingly you have to use the formula. Clear? Next. Is that clear? Any doubt? Y equal to e power under root cot x, find dy by dx. Correct? So dy by dx, first what it is? Now you tell me e power root cot x. So here e power f of x. What we discussed? Differentiation of e power x. If x is directly given, x only it will come. E power x is the correct answer. But instead of x, if they give you another function, then what you have to do? E power f of x you have to write and then differentiate that function. Correct or no? So here e power root cot x. So what in the answer you will get e power root cot x as it is, it will come. But what we have to do? We have to differentiate the root cot x. Correct? Now again you have to follow the rules. First the function is cot x. Its power is what? 1 by root 2. Correct? E power root cot x d by dx of cot x to the power half. Yes or no? So first our duty is to differentiate power. That means 1 by 2 cot of, how much it is? Cot x to the power half minus 1. D by dx of x to the power n is what? N x minus n x to the power n minus 1. The same thing I have used here. Correct? Next, what it is? Here we have to differentiate what you have to differentiate? Function. So d by dx of cot x. E power under root cot x. Now here this will be what? 1 by root cot x. Correct? Half minus 1 is minus half. You can bring it to the denominator. Differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square x. Here x is given, so I need not proceed further. If function is given, I need to do one more differentiation. Correct? So dy by dx. Now write it properly so that your answer looks good. That is minus cosecant square x e power root cot x divided by 2 root cot x. Clear all of you? Any doubt in this? Shall I proceed? Okay. Next is what? Example 3, right? Two more sums we can do and then we can go for the exercise. So now, if y equal to 1 by log x, find dy by dx. There is a reason. See, log cos x, if it is in the numerator, already we have done log sin x, correct? Log of log x we have done. But this is in the denominator. So first you should remember that we cannot do the differentiation by keeping the function in the denominator. So for what you should do, you have to take it to the numerator. So log of cos x to the power minus 1, correct? Here the power of log is, the external function is what? Here this is the function. So for that, what is the power? Minus 1. So when you do the differentiation, first you have to differentiate power. So minus of log cos x, okay, to the power what? Minus half, minus 1 minus 1, correct? Then what we have to do? Differentiation of log of cos x. So this one will become what? Minus 1 upon log of cos x to the power minus 2 will come. When you take it to the denominator, it will become 2. Differentiation of log of cos x is what? 1 by cos x. Because log x differentiation is 1 by x. Log of f of x is what? Differentiation of log of f of x is 1 by f of x, f dash of x, correct? So 1 by cos x and then differentiation of cos x. So what this will be? Here it is minus 1 upon cos x log of cos x the whole square. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So minus of minus sin x will become plus sin x. So sin x by cos x, which is tan x by log of cos x the whole square. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt now? So now I will just start with 10b exercise. Okay. So first sum 10b exercise. Say everything you know now. So try yourself, and in case if you are not able to, you just look at the monitor and correct yourself. Even after that, if you are not able to, tell me, I will explain the sum once again. But I will do with explanation only, but you need not focus here. You just start doing it and just verify the answer. Clear? Those who are not able to, they just focus here, and once you learn it, you just tell me. So y equal to e power 4x. So what is dy by dx? E power 4x, as it is, it will come, and then d by dx of 4x, which will give me what? Differentiation of 4x is 4, e power 4x. Second one is what? Y equal to e power minus 5x. So dy by dx will be equal to e power minus 5x differentiation of minus 5x. So differentiation of minus 5x is minus 5 e power minus 5x. One mark sum only, one line sum. Third one, y equal to e power x cube. So dy by dx will be equal to e power x cube into differentiation of x cube. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. So e power x cube is already there. So this will be the answer. Next, y equal to e power 2 upon x. So dy by dx will be equal to e power 2 by x into differentiation of 2 upon x. So e power 2 upon x, and this 2 is constant. I am taking it outside. D by dx of 1 by x. D by dx of 1 by x is nothing but what? In the beginning, you can go step by step. Once you are accustomed to this differentiation, you can just use the direct formula. Okay, so dy with the denominator we cannot differentiate. So I will bring it to the numerator, x power minus 1. So 2 e power 2 by x, differentiation of x power minus 1 is minus 1, x to the power minus 1 of minus 1. So which will give me minus 2 e power 2 by x divided by x square. Clear? Next. Second, this is y equal to. Second one, this is first sum. This is second one, second sum. Y equal to e power under root x. Very simple, right? Dy by dx e power root x into d by dx of root x. So d by dx of root x is nothing but what? 1 by 2 root x. Correct? So it is e power root x divided by 2 root x. Sum of the formula you should directly apply. So second one, third one, y equal to e power minus 2 root x. So dy by dx will be equal to e power minus 2 root x into d by dx of minus 2 root x. Minus 2 is constant. E power minus 2 root x is already there. D by dx of root x. Again you know the formula, just now we have done it. So substitute it, minus 2 e power minus 2 root x divided by 2 root x. Here this 2 and this 2 cancels. So you can write it as minus e power minus 2 root x divided by root x you can write. Clear? Any doubt you can tell me. Next. Third one. Second one, third one we have done. Third one, first, e power cot x. Y equal to e power cot x. Dy by dx will be equal to e power cot x d by dx of cot x. So e power cot x d by dx of cot x differentiation is minus cosecant square x. So answer will be minus cosecant square x e power cot x. Third one, second sum, y equal to e power minus sin 2x. Dy by dx will be equal to e power minus sin 2x d by dx of minus sin 2x. Right? So e power minus sin 2x, differentiation of sin 2x. Minus you can take it outside. Sin 2x is what? Cos 2x. And the differentiation of 2x is what? 2. So it will be minus 2 cos 2x e power minus sin 2x. Clear? Otherwise you should remember, whenever trigonometric functions involved, the coefficient of x should be multiplied in the result. That is the direct thing, but always you do with step by step. Next, third one, third sum, y equal to e power under root sin x. Same method. Dy by dx will be equal to e power under root sin x d by dx of under root sin x. So what this will be? E power under root sin x. Differentiation, first power. Power is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 sin x to the power half minus 1. Then differentiation of sin x. Power, function, angle. So what this will give you? Sin x differentiation is cos x. Cos x into e power root sin x divided by 2 is that. This is minus half comes. So under root sin x. Is that clear? Any doubt here till here? Next. So y equal to tan of log x. So dy by dx, first differentiation is tan. If you differentiate tan, secant square x. Here instead of x, they have given log x. So secant square log x, dy by dx of log x. Correct? So it will be secant square of log x. Differentiation of log x is 1. That's all your answer. Next. Fourth one, second sum, y equal to log of secant x. dy by dx is what? Log of secant x. So log, when you differentiate, 1 by secant x, differentiation of what? Secant x. Differentiation of secant x is secant x tan x divided by secant x, which will give me what? Tan x. This is very important because, see, tan x differentiation. Is that clear, ma? See, for the integration, when you integrate, you will get this value. Okay, tan x. So, differentiation of log secant x is what? Tan x. Next, third one, fourth, question number 4, third subdivision. Y equal to log of sin x by 2. What it is? Dy by dx will be equal to 1 upon sin x by 2. D by dx of sin x by 2. Correct? So first one, sin differentiation is cos x by 2 by sin x by 2. Differentiation is of what? X by 2. X by 2 differentiation is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 cot x by 2. Cos x by sin x is cot x. Correct? Is it clear? Any doubt till here? Next. Fifth one, y equal to log of x to the base 3. Correct? So now what we can use it? I told you to use the base change theorem. How to use it? Y will be equal to, I will choose log what? The base e. Correct? And then the argument, here it is x, right? So that I will write it in the numerator and the base I will write it in the denominator. Correct or no? So now what will happen? Dy by dx, when you write log 3 to the base e, that is constant, right? So 1 upon log 3 you will write it. D by dx of log x. Now it is very simple, right? Log x is what? Differentiation is 1 by x and log 3. See, the base you can specify for this sum. Is it clear? Any doubt here? Even if you don't specify, it is not an issue. Okay, just to make you understand, I have written the base as e. Clear, ma? Next. Fifth one, second subdivision, y equal to 2 power minus x. See, you can use the formula directly. A power x I gave you. Correct? A power x if I give you, what is that formula? Do you remember? A power x means it is simply a power x log a. Correct? That's what it is. Just now we have done. Correct? A power x log. So directly you can do dy by dx is 2 power minus x. Okay? And then differentiate, that is log a, you can write it. Okay? But here it is 2 power minus x is there. I know only for what? 2 power x, correct? So in that case, what it is? D by dx of minus x, you have to do it. That's what? See, a power x, direct formula. D by dx of a power x is a power x log a, correct? But here, d by dx of a power f of x. So what did I say? A power f of x log a into f dash of x. That's what I have done. Is that clear or no? So now what it is? Here it is minus 2 log 2 into 2 to the power minus x. This is the answer. But is this the only method? No, in differentiation you can do it in any method, whatever you want. Okay. 1 minute, did I do it correctly? Minus x, why did I write minus 2? It's minus 1 only, right? Minus only I need to. Differentiation of d by dx of minus x is what? No? It is minus 1, right? So minus log 2 to the into 2 to the power minus x. Clear? Or minus 2 power minus x into log 2. Clear pa? Here minus x differentiation is minus 1 only. 2 won't come. Ma'am, this method I am not comfortable because I may forget the formula. That time what you have to do? Y equal to 2 to the power minus x. Like the way we have done it in the beginning, take log on both the sides. Taking log on both the sides. Okay. So log y will be equal to log 2 to the power minus x. So log y will be equal to minus x will come because log a to the power b is b log a. So minus x log 2. When you differentiate, I told log f of x is what? 1 by f of x into f dash of x. That is dy by dx. Log 2 is constant. So differentiation of x is 1. So dy by dx is minus y log 2, which is minus 2 to the power minus x log 2. In both the way, you will get the same answer only. Clear? Here any doubt? Next. Where we are? Fifth one, second one we are, right? Next. Fifth one, y equal to 3 to the power x plus 2. You can do it in any method. I will use formula dy by dx is 3 to the power x plus 2 log 3, and here instead of x they have given x plus 2, so I need to differentiate it. But on differentiating x plus 2 I will get 1 only. So my answer will remain 3 power x plus 2 into log 3 because it's a linear. Now, no ma'am, I am not good at it. Then take log on both the sides. Log 3 to the power x plus 2. 1 by y dy by dx will be equal to x plus 2 into log 3, right? So that will become what it is. Log 3 is constant. And here it is x by 2 is differentiation of x by 2 is x plus 2 is 1. So it will be dy by dx is y log 3. Y value is what? 3 power x plus 2 into log 3. Clear all of you? Next. Sixth one. Y equal to log of x plus 1 by x. Same. Dy by dx will be equal to what? First function, that is 1 upon x plus 1 by x. Then differentiation of function x plus 1 upon x. Correct? Log of f of x, whenever you get first 1 by f of x into f dash of x. F dash of x is differentiation. So this one is 1 upon x square plus 1. If I take the LCM, x square plus 1, this x will go to the numerator. So x upon x square plus 1. This one differentiation is what, ma? you can differentiate two terms separately, individually. D by dx of x plus d by dx of 1 by x. We are in the beginning, so I am doing step by step. Otherwise, you can ignore this, correct? So, what it will be? 1 plus differentiation of x power minus 1. What it is? Minus 1 upon x square. So, this will be nothing but what? Minus 1 upon x square. So, on taking the LCM, this is x upon x square plus 1 into x square minus 1 divided by x square. Correct? So, dy by dx is equal to x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 into x. But is it a proving sum? No, right? So, this answer you can. Clear, ma? Any doubt? Clear or no? Next. Log of sine 3x, you can do it. Still, I will do it fast. Okay. Very simple, right? Log of sine x. Dy by dx is what? 1 upon sine x. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. So, here 1 by sine x. D by dx of sine x. Okay, d by dx of sine x is what, ma? Here it is cos x. Here sine 3x, pa. 1 minute. Sine 3x. So, here also it will be sine 3x. The question is sine 3x. Here also it is sine 3x. Differentiation of sine 3x is cos 3x into 3. Correct? Divided by sine 3x. So, it will be 3 cot 3x. Next is sixth one, third sum. Y equal to log of x plus under root 1 plus x square. Again same method only. Differentiation of log of f of x will be equal to what? 1 by f of x into f dash of x. So first log of this, what you will write? Whatever it is, you will write it in the denominator. 1 upon x plus under root 1 plus x square into differentiation of x plus under root 1 plus x square. There are two terms in this, so which you can do the differentiation individually. So this term as it is, it comes. Differentiation of x is 1. Okay. Differentiation of 1 plus under root 1 plus x square. Let us do it step by step. Okay. So what this? It is this term as it is coming. 1 plus differentiation of under root x is what? 1 upon root 2x. But here instead of root x they have given what? Another function. So first the same thing as I told you, the formula you can use 1 upon 2 under root 1 plus x square. But since it is a function, we have to differentiate the function. Correct or no? So otherwise, first you differentiate power 1 by 2 and then you differentiate the inside function. So this is 1 plus x square differentiation. 1 is constant, so 0. X square on differentiating 2x. So 2x upon 2 root 1 plus x square. 2 cancels. Okay. 1 upon x plus under root 1 plus x square. Here taking the LCM, it will get what? This is that. So this cancels. So you will get 1 upon under root 1 plus x square as dy by dx. Clear, ma? Any doubt you can tell me. Next is, shall I? Seventh sum. Here product rule you may use, okay? Because two functions, e power root x log x, correct? So y equal to e power root x log x. Use product rule and do it. Okay. So dy by dx will be equal to e power root x into differentiation of log x plus log x into differentiation of e power root x. So what is this? Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So e power root x by x plus differentiation of e power root x is e power root x, and we have to differentiate root x separate. Correct? So now this will become what? Dy by dx is e power root x upon x plus e power root x into log x. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So e power root x, you can take it outside. Okay. 1 upon x plus log x upon 2 root x will be your answer. Clear, ma? You can take LCM and you can further simplify if you want. So if you take 2x as LCM, here you need to multiply by root x, right? Root x into root x is x. So multiply by root x log x. Here you need to multiply by 2. Okay. So this will be your answer. Next one. Log of, again same method. Y equal to log sine under root x square plus 1. So dy by dx, first what we have to do? The log differentiation. So 1 upon sine under root x square plus 1. Then we have to differentiate the sine function, correct? When you differentiate sine, you will get cos. But should I stop it here? No, right? Because inside it is not x, it is another function root x square plus 1. So this sine under root x square plus 1 will come as it is. Which I can write it as what? Cot under root x square plus 1. But differentiation of this is what? 1 by 2 under root x square plus 1. Differentiation of root x is what? 1 by 2 root x. The same method 1 by 2 root x square plus 1. But we have to differentiate x square plus 1. Correct or no? By this time, I hope all of you have got that. So cot under root x square plus 1 divided 1 upon, okay, this one. Here differentiation of x square is 2x and this one is 0. So this cancels. X upon under root x square plus 1 into cot of under root x square plus 1. Clear all of you? Till here any doubt you can tell me. After doing 10th sum, I will just go to the NCERT and now all of you start doing the NCERT. Let us do this one finish and then we will start NCERT. Once again we will come back and we will start from 11th sum. Okay. So what is that? Here y equal to e power 2x sine 3x. So dy by dx is what? E power 2x dy dx of sine 3x. Then next term sine 3x is constant. D by dx of e power 2x. Simple product rule. E power 2x, differentiation of sine 3x is cos 3x into 3. And here sine 3x into e power 2x, differentiation of 2x. Don't forget to do it. Okay. So e power 2x, I will take it as outside. Okay. Here 3 cos 3x. And here what it will be? Sine 3x. Differentiation of 2x is 2. So 2 sine 3x will be your answer. Clear? 10th one, y equal to e power 3x cos 2x. Same method, right? Dy by dx, e power 3x, d by dx of cos 2x plus cos 2x into d by dx of e power 3x. So it will be e power 3x cos 2x differentiation is minus sine 2x 2x differentiation is 2 plus cos 2x e power 3x differentiation is e power 3x differentiation of 3x. So here what will happen, e power 3x you can take it outside. This 3x differentiation is 3. So 3 cos 2x minus 2 sin 2x. Minus sign, yes. Clear ma? So now all of you go to